Don't let him hear us, but dude, if she's really like she looks, congratulations in advance from the bottom of my heart.
I'll tell you in a bit. Let's hope not.
Drifter, when you see this video, I'm telling you, you're about to make what seems to be the deal of your life.
Dude, it's a dream. We just had to make it happen.
Welcome to a new video. A special video.
If you allow me to say so.
It's 8 o'clock at night and we're on our way to see...
To see what, dude?
To see a car that arrived unexpectedly, brother, but we can't let it go.
No, it's the other way around. It's a lot of money. Right now, it could be called Drifter Montana.
We're going to check out a Subaru that our good friend Nahuel told us about. Hey man, listen to me. They stood us up, brother.
Dude, well, I don't see it!
But I'm excited, man. Have you seen the pictures yet?
I mean, in many ways, it's Zuby, both in terms of generation and the way he carries himself, man.
He has it down perfectly. I wouldn't do more than a couple of things to it.
A couple of things, literally?
Nothing, it's perfect. I mean, that could be, so far, one of the best deals of your life, I think.
Yeah, no problem, man. You did spectacular, beautiful, and it's the generation I love. It fascinates me.
And in that color?
And in that, yeah, it's awesome.
What are you thinking? What do you want to find?
What are your fears? What are you hoping for?
I hope it doesn't fail.
So, like, the guy tells you it runs great, it's perfect, ready to go. They told us the check engine light is on.
Yeah, but that's normal for us. That's why? But they did tell us it had a full service and everything? A full one? The service costs more than the car.
Yeah, twice as much. Well, yeah, it's like what they told us about the M5.
There are cases, there are cars where you just let go and to leave them perfect.
For being old cars, the M5 is much older, but the one from the 80s they had there, I mean, it's about rebuilding from being a lame car, and now with performance parts it has.
We'll see, but do you expect it not to fail then?
Yeah, I mean, I expect it to work perfectly for me, and that's it, man, because it's...
I mean, we already saw it in the photos, and it's awesome, man. I mean, no.
Yeah, perfect. And what does it do, huh? And what does it do? Is the amount going to be censored?
The amount is going to be censored, but less. Nahuel told me even less.
So, you're going to arrive... Let's see, how are you going to arrive? I'm Subi.
I'm going to say, brother, hey, brother, nice car.
Thanks, it's for sale.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's funny.
What do you mean by nah ha ha ha?
And it didn't happen.
Here we go back.
If we met halfway, it would be a little more.
A little more, but it's still very high, bro.
It's still a super high number.
Yeah, but...
I already knew about other cars. You had your eye on and how much they were going to cost, and you were going to get into trouble from the start. I mean, knowing there were problems because it was a crashed car.
Crashed.
It's just that I've wanted to buy one from a Copart auction for a long time and kind of fix it up myself.
I mean, the intention was to buy a wrecked one, that's the truth.
It's better not to, isn't it?
Yeah, it's definitely better not to.
We don't want any trouble right now. We want something that from the very first second.
Boom, that gets you pumped. Like, dude, you're scaring me, man. Pump it up.
I'll give you 12. Hey, right there.
Because the battery is going to... Capo, Zubi!
What are you feeling, my drifter? Let's see, tell us about it.
Tell us, man. Share with the people what you're experiencing, man.
I'm nervous, brother. It's a 2005 car. Here are its little crumbs.
Great production assistant here with the light, huh?
Good thing is that...
Oh, no.
Cut.
Nahuel told me it was good. That's a big responsibility, isn't it?
Nahuel told me to do it, dude.
A modified car? I'm looking like this, dude. Look without seeing. No, open it. Go on. Yeah, look at it. And I'm just now finding out about the miles on the title that it was stolen and...
But all that adds up. All that adds up to it being a car that you otherwise couldn't afford, dude. Some things for others, yeah.
High mileage, title to Revilda, but man within your budget.
That's right, and it's beautiful.
It has had a lot of maintenance done. It's loaded with equipment. It's ready. It's approved. It's ready. Everything was done recently.
And how do they sound? Since you're good at imitating engines, how do the boxers sound? Let's hear how your ride sounds, your next ride.
I don't know. You're good at it. I'm terrible at that too. You do it, man. How many horsepower?
That one came with 700. Do you know if the engine is modified? Do we know?
I don't know. I just saw it had 2 subwoofers in the trunk, which intrigues me, seriously, man.
The engine is stock. I mean, as far as I know, seriously, I'm telling you the truth, it was stock.
Oh, okay, but what about the horsepower?
No, as for horsepower, it has its...
Where to? Where to, brother?
To the right, north of Robbie, his tonner. Applause for Robbie.
As long as it brings about 350 horsepower, 330, how much does that one have? It had about 290, right?
No, the CTI originally reached 300.
Maybe not, right?
I think it was at 240, yeah, because in the year 2010, oh no, 2005.
I think it was 240, I believe.
We can check anyway.
But as long as you bring 300...
When I drove it, it felt good, and going downhill, it had its...
Tight.
Yeah. Now, it's not 450 or 600, but it ran. I tried it, and it ran really well.
He tried it in 2007.
If we've learned anything, it's that it's better to have a few who are loyal than many who don't matter. And I'm not talking about horses. How about that, huh? Careful, it applies to everything.
Better a 350 that makes you smile from ear to ear until you sell it for 600 than one that lasts you a...
You move really good.
A hot one.
No, if we're putting this together, it's because my grandfather told us he won't let us down.
Bye, open up for me, Robbie.
These are friends, real friends, true friends.
What?
This is the original factory symbol, eh?
Drifter, when you see this video, I'm telling you, you're about to make what seems to be the deal of your life. Dude, and I hope that's the case. Dude, I love you, bro. You're about to get a ride that makes people get out to take pictures.
It looks like it. It's beautiful, dude. This generation drives me crazy.
Let's hope it doesn't hear us, but dude, it's amazing. If it's really like it looks, I congratulate you in advance from the heart.
No way, it's like a dream. It's literally the kind that makes you get out to take pictures of it. If I see this thing at a gas station, I'd say, bro, that's an awesome ride you got. Clean, clean, clean. I mean, and with audio, dude, don't think I didn't hear that sick bass. Right now that they move forward, I mean, the whole package, dude, no problems, no worries.
Enjoy straight up what I said with the GTR. Enjoy my drift straight up. Because you deserve it, damn it.
Let's hope he's okay right now. Let's see what the verdict is.
Hey, props to the Group B guys who come to help out, stopping to check.
Thank you, Group B. Thank you, Rob. Thank you, Noel.
You and I could take a look at it, but nothing we can do against the critical eye.
I look at it and say, if it's working, it's fine.
Besides, you and I get excited. Yeah,
Yes.
No, they didn't say he has the damn dad. That crap shot all the way up there. They're in the back whining with the supercharger.
What's up?
It runs, man. It moves better than I thought.
Really?
Yeah, it moves well, really well.
The interior looks nice.
I'll tell you in a moment.
Let's hope not Raspa Chingon.
Oh yeah, when does it bounce? I mean, okay, yeah, huh. And it's without an eyebrow. Absolutely, I mean, it's just bare metal.
Here you can still remove it, but for now, let's focus on this one.
Go all out, go all out. I brought a little sandwich for the trip, right? I brought a little sandwich.
Thank you very much. Here is everything, right?
Yes, a little green sandwich. Count it.
I don't know. They're Mexican. Count it.
Count it. They say that good jokes and money should always be counted.
Let's count.
Yes, fine, but I counted it 6 times, and all 6 times I got the same result.
The good thing is, yes, in math he got a 6. 6, he got a 6 in math.
Let's see here. What's going on? You tell us because you're the happiest about this.
It's the best thing that could have happened to me.
He's getting rid of the mark of someone who wasn't very nice to him. Let's put it that way, right? Yes?
For being honest, for being kind to ourselves.
But sometimes Father Ray has already left too. Congratulations to both of you.
Brothers, I shouldn't be doing this, and especially not, white light, and especially not on the streets of the United States. But now we're already in the Subaru, and it has a few little issues. It's definitely a 2005 car, but it drives me crazy.
You guys know that I really focus on the designs and how the car looks, and this car fascinates me.
And honestly, this person kept it in perfect condition.
I mean, it's lowered with its rims, good brakes, the paint is really nice, that Subaru blue color.
I mean, we just had to build it. Guys, do you agree?
But, well, we're gonna keep it here.
Listen to this. From the Fast and Furious movie.
We bring the bar back here for the seatbelts.
Ah, guys, a dream. Literally, it's a dream.
We couldn't not build it. We built it at a good price.
We're excited because, as you know, Drifter is going to give this thing a lot of love, so let's do it, guys.
You'll see it during the day. The deal was made at night.
This person, the good Mo, lives about an hour or a little more from Miami.
So we met at a halfway point after work, and that's how the deal was made.
But we're heading back home in a Subaru Technica International, which in my opinion is from the best generation.
So I don't know what to think.
Like I was telling Kuka, I think it still hasn't hit me that it's mine. Not yet, maybe in a little while. But we're riding in the flag.
I'll tell you something, guys. It moves.
I didn't think it would go this hard. I mean, it's not a plane, but it goes really hard. I mean, it runs really well.
Honestly, I expected it to run a lot less than it does.
I love it. We love it. Get in, turn on the blinker.
My drift.
Don't tell me you're going to put it there, where you won't see it eating there, Dad.
You'll be watching it there while you have dinner.
I would say
Brutal.
Yes. I assure you it's the same one.
From the second one. Congratulations, man. Congratulations, dude.
It's awesome, dude. Awesome. Several people have already told me to take it out on the road.
Like my drifter told me, I'm telling you, I'm sure it hasn't hit you yet.
For sure, dude. This thing is yours, man.
Yeah, it's awesome, man. I left it on, man.
It should be supporting, right? The cylinder, nothing.
It's from a video game, man. This is a damn video game image.
And which one was it? It was a cover from a Forza, I think, from Forza 1 or Forza 2.
Yeah, I don't know, from the Rally 1?
As far as I know, it was from an early Forza, one of the very first ones. It's incredible, and it's way faster than I thought it was, because I told you, it's kind of fast. No, it's really fast.
I mean, you take someone for a ride and hit third and fourth gear. Earlier, you even shifted into fourth, right?
Yeah, someone who's not used to it would freak out. Your girl is gonna freak out, I think.
Yeah, maybe. Honestly, I thought it would go a lot slower. I mean, I didn't expect it to run like this. It's really good. It runs really strong.
You know, when a car's running well, I mean, when the engine is like that and you shift and... It's not, I mean, it's really awesome. What a gem, man. I'm telling you.
Bro, do you want to take it for a spin or what?
Yeah.
It's beautiful, man. Really beautiful. This generation, I think it's the one I like the most of this car.
Yeah, for me, this one and the previous one, the one where they made them round, I mean, these two.
Yeah.
Those two are definitely the nicest ones. The new ones are also awesome. It's a car where all of them have been really nice. Dude, now that I think about it...
Yeah, because the next one, which is kind of similar but with a longer headlight, that one's also beautiful.
Yeah, the one we had considered, the one you had your eye on too. It's really cool. But the one before this one, the one with the little oval.
Ah, that one is also really nice. It looks a little bit like the Nissan, man. The one that has the whole headlight that connects with the little grill, and that's it.
There's a Choco one. Have you seen it?
Yeah.
All the SPI is a big boat, dude.
You know what? Yeah. But what do you say about this one, bro?
The spoiler it should have, dude. I mean, we already talked about it. The good thing is it's black, but this, I mean, it's nice. It's clean, dude. I mean, it's clean.
We're fascinated.
I'm fascinated.
I'm blown away. I mean, this is the opportunity of the century. No, dude, seriously, I think you grabbed an opportunity.
And it came to me a little bit without looking for it. I mean, Nahuel told me, so what's up? I have a new bike.
Why did Nahuel say that, damn dog, man?
What? Why did you see him?
Did it come out of nowhere for you? Says the drifter.
No, I mean, it came out of nowhere. I mean, well, man, I was watching Mustang. And suddenly, just like that, Subaru. Today we're going to see it. There it is.
I hadn't looked for Subarus until we started checking them out yesterday, and this one didn't even cross my mind.
No.
No. The ones that were on the marketplace, well, there just aren't going to be any of these. There's only one, maybe two at a time. Awesome.
We're done with the video, guys. This is the beginning of a new era, you could say.
Of enjoyment, dude.
It was an era of pleasure. You'll see it later on. We also made the purchase at night, so there will be a little video showing what it's like inside, maybe some of the little details it has. All right, there you have it, brothers. Leave your comments, I read them, even if you just write something simple.
No, but I do read them.
Tell me, what do you think about these ships?
Rally cars. I'm excited because they're beautiful.
And the paint?
I think the car was gray and they repainted it, but it's really well painted, man. I mean, it looks really good. It looks flawless.
There you have it, brothers at home. See you in the next one.